Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off likes notification settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon like this, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and here you will find notifications. Click on it. Here you will find as you see here, likes. Just click like this and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off likes notification settings. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.